Okay, so I have the new LHY meter here ready to turn on. At the moment it's just showing rubbish because it's not actually switched on. And in the double socket next to it I've got a Circal plug-in filter ready to go. So let's turn the LHY on first. That's giving an idea of just how much noise is coming in to the main feed to the house. Now I'll turn on the Circal. And although you can still see the cycling a bit, that's a dramatic reduction in noise. Turn the Circal off again.